All right, y'all, just a really quick video that kind of goes over a little bit more of how to do this card sort. So I think I made it to where it automatically makes a copy of this presentation for you guys, but if not, then just go ahead and select file and then make a copy for yourself. Make sure that when you do that, you update it with your information. So you would go in here and you would type in your name so that I know whose it is. And then you're going to go ahead and complete the assignment. So for the first one, it is a card sort. You're going to read the problems and you're going to drag the card to the operation in which you think you would do first. So most of these problems are multi-step, so you'll have to do more than one operation, but it's up to you to tell me what operation do you think you'll do first. So for example, Chris has 150 cookies to sell. Each cookie is covered with one topping. 1/5 of the cookies are covered with coconut. 1/3 of the cookies are covered with chocolate chips. 3/10 of the cookies are covered with yellow icing. The rest are covered with sprinkles. How many cookies are covered with sprinkles? So you will need to do a couple operations for this, guys. But me personally, well, I would have to figure out how many cookies are covered with coconut and chocolate chips and yellow icing before I can even figure out how many cookies are left over to be covered with sprinkles. So I would need to find, okay, well, what is 1/5 of 150? And you can go two ways with this. You can say, well, I'm going to do 1/5 times 150, which technically is multiplication. But that is also the same thing as taking 150 and dividing by 5. So for me personally, I would put that right in between multiplication and division, and I'd say, hey, I can do either or with this one, right? And that works. Whatever you think is the first operation that you need to do, then you go ahead and place it wherever you need with the rest of these cards. All right, guys, good luck.